Hello. Hello, Carlos. Okay. Seems like he's gone. I have his glasses and his microphone and his cup, but he's gone. So what do you do if you don't have a Carlos around, or if you don't have a yarn Swift? That's what the plan was. I'm going to do it now. So welcome to our YouTube channel. We are, as always, your hosts, Arne and Carlos. This is Carlos. And today we're going to show you how you can wind up your yarn without having a Carlos or yarn Swift. So what you do is, you can use the share. You can use the back of the share. You just put the yarn around and you can wind up. But the easier way is actually to put it on your hands like this, and then you just open, you find the end. I think I just break this one. So you find one end, and then you hold it like this, and you wind with your own arms, if you have no one around. It's a very easy way. This you can do everywhere, as long as you have two arms. If not, you have to use a share. So this is how we wind up yarn if we don't have anyone to help us. So I think that was the episode. I think, Carlos! Carlos, where are you? Oh, he's gone. Okay, so...
Sorry I'm late. I'm
this
so
was
sorry.
a little bit awkward because
I was in the bathroom.
I have nothing to talk about when you're not around.
Oh, I mean, yeah. I was just taking a little toilet break. You know, sometimes when you have to go, you have to go.
Too much information.
I know, sorry. So, anything you need help with?
Well, actually, you could hold it, since you're here.
Well, but you're doing such a great job without me.
No, I want you to work for it.
Okay.
So, this is what we did when I was a kid. I always had to help my grandmother or my mother when they had the skein of yarn. We do have a Swift somewhere, but...
We do, but this is more fun, isn't it?
I have no clue where it is right now, because we are...
renovating
and cleaning the house.
And Arne is moving studios from one studio to another.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
This is yarn from Rowan. It's called Moordale. And the plan is to make a scarf. I have had this yarn lying around for a long time because I bought that loom. That's good for scarves. So maybe we should do the scarf one day.
My arms are getting a little tired. Why don't we just put it back in your arms?
Okay.
No, just kidding. Just
I can
go ahead. Go ahead.
But if I take the yarn, you can do the formalities, because we can't sit here the whole day doing this.
Yeah, that's true. So Arne is going to get his yarn wound. I'm going to go look for the Swift. I think I kind of know where it is.
I think the last time I saw it was when we came back from a cruise.
Probably, yeah. So
maybe it's on the ship.
No, it's here. I think I know. I have a vague memory of where it could be, so I'll go get it. Although you are doing a great job, and it is working pretty well. So we hope you have enjoyed this episode. So sorry I was late. Actually, I'm never late. I don't know. I mean, this is the first time. Anyway, if you did like this episode, please give it a big thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and engage. If you are already a subscriber, turn on your notification bell so that you never miss an episode. Email is the best way to keep in touch with us. And for any additional content, consider becoming a member here on our YouTube channel. We've got a little members area.
Hi, we're Arne and Carlos, and thank you for choosing our YouTube channel.
And thank you so much for watching our videos as well. And if you like what you see here, we would love it if you would give us a big thumbs up, like and subscribe to our channel. Also, lots of people are curious about our membership. So here's a little sneak peek of what you get as additional content if you do choose to become a member.
Hello, members of the YouTube channel.
I know you're waiting for me.
I'm waiting.
Yeah, but we've just had lunch and I have to clean my kitchen. I need to clean my counter.
Cool. I think Eric is approaching.
Take a close-up on Eric now.
Good morning and welcome to Ålesund.
Yes.
Welcome to our happy place here on YouTube.
Hello. I don't know if I have told you this, but I think it was last year. I was cleaning up in the garden and I found, you know, that thing when you do the yarn for the loom, the thing that goes around.
Oh, the warping mill?
Warping mill. I found a warping mill in the garden behind a lot of wood.
Really? So let's go.
I fixed it.
Okay, cool. So let's go out in the garden and look for the Swift. It might be there as well. So thank you so much for watching. We're going out in the garden. See you soon.
See you.
Toodaloo. Bye.